I'm going to introduce you to our Air Quality PSA project that you're going to be working on for the next couple of days. The first thing we want to talk about is, what does PSA stand for? PSA stands for Public Service Announcement, and a public service announcement is I'm going to introduce you to our public service announcement project that you'll be working on the next couple of days. First thing you need to know is, what is a public service announcement, or PSA for short. And they are videos that are often used to highlight a community issue and persuade individuals to take action. They can convey information, they can create awareness, they can offer assistance or encourage a change in behavior. And so governmental agencies and groups and organizations and nonprofits also use radio PSAs to reach an audience and make it a very effective marketing tool. So we're going to do an air quality PSA, or air quality public service announcement. And the first thing you're going to do in class is you're going to look at a couple of examples. These are videos, and they are only 30 seconds long. So most PSAs are not very long. Then after that, you're going to put a script together to create your own PSA, and you're going to record it on Flipgrid. And I'm going to tell you how you're going to do that right now. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Canvas, open up assignments, and go to Air Quality PSA. When you do, you will have something that looks like this. I'm going to make it a little larger here. All right, so the directions. First thing you're going to do is you're going to write your script. You're just not going to start recording right away. You're going to write your script, and you're going to write a 3-paragraph script below this checklist and present your information in Flipgrid video. You have to do the Flipgrid video in order to get the grade. You can't just write the script and not do anything. So in your first paragraph, you're going to introduce yourself and the purpose of this PSA, and the purpose of this is to create awareness of air quality. And this paragraph needs to be at least 5 sentences. And in those 5 sentences, you're going to explain what air pollution is by answering the following questions. What is air pollution? You're going to give one example of how air pollution is caused by humans, and an example of how air pollution is caused by nature. You can add more examples, whatever you need to embellish this to make it at least 5 sentences in the paragraph. Second paragraph is, again, at least 5 sentences. You're going to choose one of the common air pollutants in the boxes below, and you're going to do some research on it. So choose your favorite air pollutant, and you're going to look for some information on it. So explain how the air pollutant contributes, which is causes or add to air pollution. Where does it come from, and how does air pollution harm humans? And you can also add on how it may harm animals and living things. So again, you're going to highlight which air pollutant you're going to research, and keep all your information focused on that one. You will easily be able to come up with 5 sentences for that one. Your third paragraph, this one is also at least 5 sentences. You're going to provide data on your chosen air pollutant in Concord, North Carolina, or Cabarrus County. What's caused the air pollution in our area, give specific examples, and what methods are being used to solve the air pollution problem in our area. We haven't talked about this much in class, but I do have some resources for you to find that information out. And speaking of resources, when you get through, you are going to use EasyBib to list all your resources. So you're going to use at least 3 separate resources. If it's a website, I would go ahead and copy and post the link on this right here at the bottom until I tell you how to do EasyBib. If you are using one of your worksheets that I've given you, such as a study guide or the air quality worksheet or the types of air pollutant, then you can put those right there also. Now, Google is not a source. Do not put Google as a source. It is a search engine. I'll tell you more about that on EasyBib when I explain more about EasyBib. Down here we have the outline. We are assessing this on criterion D, reflecting on the impacts of science. You're going to summarize the ways in which science is applied and used to address a specific problem or issue, in this case air quality. You're going to describe and summarize the various implications of using science and its application in solving a specific problem or issue. again, air quality. You're going to apply scientific language effectively. You're going to document the works of others and the source of information used. So this right here is your IB grading rubric, and down here are the MYP commands. Below that is the grade for your PowerSchool grade. So we're going to look at structure. And again, it starts at 0 and goes all the way over here to 6 points maximum. This is on your script. Your script has to be completely filled out and full paragraphs of at least 5 sentences. Right here it says spelling and grammar are mostly correct. Use spell check. Spell check is your friend. If you get little wavy lines under something, it means something is not spelled right or the grammar is not correct. Use spell check. Detail is, we're going to be looking at that to make sure that you're giving detailed descriptions. The explanations have to be thorough. They have to be in your own words. You may not copy and paste from a website. Creativity will affect the Flipgrid video, like you can use little props if you want to. And then the last thing is sources. So if you don't have any sources, you're going to get 0 points for that. And in order to get the full credit of 6 points, you have to have at least 3 sources. The total points for this is 30. So this is a pretty significant grade in PowerSchool. And even though this is kind of overwhelming maybe with what you have to do writing the script and recording it, it's pretty easy to do. We're just going to break it down for you, and of course you need help, then let me know in class. I will do another video that explains how to do EasyBib, and I will show that to you tomorrow. If you have any questions, ask me. Good luck.